Hello, today I'm presenting my final project for Principle of Big Data Processing course. Let's look at my project goal and problem statement. The goal for my project is to observe the current trending in Google search for a specific term within a region. For example, a company wants to start selling skateboard in California. This project would provide the marketing department a list of most related search terms to a skateboard and their trending over different cities in California. In order to achieve this goal, I implemented a simplified processing pipeline. It collects Google Trends data into Elasticsearch for analytics, queries, and visualization. Now let's look at the big data source. The big data source for my project is a Google Trends data, which I retrieve using Google Trend API. This is a Node.js library. Therefore, I wrote a JavaScript program to collect interest by region data, which contains keyword, the start time and end time, geoname, geocode, and a value representing the score of interest in a scale 0 to 100. Let's look at the processing pipeline. This is a processing pipeline I implemented for this project. It composed my JavaScript program that reads Google Trend data. This program works as a Kafka producer. The end of this pipeline is Elasticsearch node, which is used to index collected data for analytic purposes. Connection from my Kafka source and Elasticsearch sync is a Flume agent. In my project is Elasticsearch sync plugin provided by Cognitree to work with Elasticsearch version 6.2, which I use for my indexing tier. The built-in Elasticsearch sync only works with Elasticsearch version 1.8, which is rather too old. Implementation. Here are the main contributions of my work. The custom Kafka producer is written in JavaScript for running in Node.js environment. Input of my program includes an initial keyword, a chosen region, start and a date, a number of days per collecting period, and here are the steps for my programs. It first retrieves related keywords to the initial keyword. Then, for each time period, from start date to end date, it collects interest by region records for each related keyword to send to Kafka topic. Repeat for next time, range until the end date. Here is my Elasticsearch index mappings with the same schema as the data source. Now we'll look at the demonstration. I created a Docker compose file as shown here. Running by Docker compose up command, the waiting for Elasticsearch and Kibana started successfully. I run my Flume agent. This console shows the log file. Here's the input of my JavaScript program. Now run into start collect Google Trend data, send to configured Kafka topic as shown in the output console. Now it demonstrates the result of some of the analytics queries and data visualization in Kibana.